Okay, so if you have a bottle capping machine that looks like this, there are some videos out there showing how to fix these, but most of them require that you have a nut right here where you can put a wrench around. Well, this model clearly doesn't have it, and I need to change these wheels, and it's kind of flummoxed me how to fix it. I have seen some, like I say, you can use a wrench to loosen these wheels, and then you also have to put a screwdriver in these gears just to hold them in place while you unscrew the tips. But this one's different. It actually, if you look underneath, it has these little holes on the tips of the wheels, 2 holes on each one, and there needs to be a way to get into those, and so that's what we're trying to do. And I figured there's probably some kind of special tool. I don't have that, and so what I'm going to try is using a snap ring plier, and there's a few models out there like this. This is one I found at Home Depot. And we're going to try to put one of these wheels on it using these snap ring pliers. And the key is they've got these little tips that hopefully will fit into those holes and can get in there and unscrew it. One thing I was thinking about, this set has some pretty long handles. There might be some with shorter handles that would be better that you could find online. Mine are not short because this is the only ones that they had. But good thing is we can lift the whole assembly up using the crank like this, and that's what we'll do. And so I'm going to lift this up and we're going to see if we can get these things off. Okay, so I'm back and I have lifted the assembly using the crank in the back so I can get my pliers underneath and into the little holes, and indeed they do fit, which is good. I'm hoping they're strong enough to turn that, and that's the solution here. Just unscrew it, and then also I've got a screwdriver here, so that what we can do is put that screwdriver in the gear right here. Excuse me, yeah, right there, in the gear. And what we want to do is just hold the gear in place while we unscrew the tip. And so that's the idea, and that's what we're going to try to do. So what I do is I have it locked in here with the screwdriver holding the gear, and then I'm going to try to turn the wheel off. Let's see if I can do that. Oops, I'm going to want to do it the other way, I guess. Yes, indeed, it feels like it's working. Right. Yes, so it comes off. Okay, when that comes off, let's just see what the top comes off with the washer, and then we can just pull the wheel out. Looks like. And that's just the basic, that's the old one. So yeah, just put these back together like this, put the cap back on, and just screw these back on, it looks like. Oh, you know what? I'm screwing it the wrong way because I'm upside down. Anyway, I'm gonna do it by hand. But you get the idea here. Just put a screwdriver in the gear up here to lock it in place, and unscrew it with one of these types of pliers. Again, they are called combination snap ring pliers. I'll also post a link down at the bottom to an Amazon site where you can shop for a few of these. These ones right here had a 0.07 inch tip diameter, and that fit mine perfectly. Thanks for watching.